May mali ba ako if I only gave 1,000 pesos sa family ng nakagat ng dog ko? People involved here is myself, 22F, my little Chi, a boy around 9 or 10, then yung parents. I was chilling sa isang cafe na may malawak na space for parking, cute little park for walks, and may tables and chairs for people outside. Marami talagang customers sa cafe na to that brings their pets for a stroll. Cats, dogs. I even saw a hamster on a leash once. So, I was just chilling with my iced choco on one of the outside benches near the grassy part of the place para mag-enjoy rin naman dog ko who was on a leash naman. I dressed my dog in this cute little Pikachu outfit and behave lang siya sa gilid ko, licking his ice cubes sa bowl niya. A family approached us, a boy and his parents. Hindi ko pinansin kasi I thought na makikiupo lang sila kasi yung parang bench is nakapaikot sa maliit na tree. But the mother asked if pwede ba raw ipet yung dog ko and makipag-picture kasi ang cute daw. At this moment, dinidilaan pa rin ng dog ko yung ice cubes niya sa bowl and walang pake sa amin. I politely declined and said na my dog is uncomfortable with strangers, na masyadong malapit sa kanya, or na hinahawakan siya. They insisted saying na mukhang mabait naman kasi hindi sila pinapansin ng dog ko kasi nga dinidilaan lang ice cubes niya. And kahit ilang photos lang since kamamatay lang ng puppy raw nila. Nagsorry ako sa bata for what happened sa dog and nagsorry ulit ako na hindi niya pwedeng ipet yung dog ko. I still declined saying na pauwi na rin kami. Then she said na ganun ba and naglakad na sila ng son niya papunta sa husband niyang nakaupo not far from us. Since medyo naging uncomfy ako, I decided na uuwi na lang and inayos ko na wallet ko and the little pet bag where I put my dog and his things. Nagulat na lang ako may sumigaw na bata and umiiyak and kagat na ng dog ko yung kamay niya.